Skimming and scanning are two techniques of reading that are often used by readers. In this module, you will learn how to use skimming and scanning for different purposes of reading. Skimming means quickly reading a text to get general information or its main idea. It generally answers, "What is the text about?" You have probably ever experienced skimming when you try to find source material for a research paper. It is also common to skim newspapers. When a reader skims, she or he does not read all sentences. Instead, the reader only reads some part of the material. So, what are the parts that readers skim? Well, in skimming, you focus on getting the general ideas of the passage in the shortest amount of time. So, you will want to read the first paragraph attentively because this paragraph usually provides the overview of the content of the passage. And then you read the first sentence and last sentence of the following paragraphs to anticipate the main ideas. And finally, you read the last paragraph carefully because in this paragraph, usually the author provides summary. When skimming for general ideas, you don't read every sentence in the passage and you do not stop for a dictionary when you find unknown words because that will slow you down. Remember, in skimming, you try to get what is the general idea in the shortest amount of time. To make it more effective, it is suggested that you take a look at the titles, pictures, graphs, and other salient text features that can be very helpful to grasp the gist of the passage. Okay, now let's move on to scanning. Scanning means reading quickly to get or locate the specific information of a text. Scanning can be contrasted to skimming. While both are quick reading, skimming aims for general information, but scanning only seeks specific information like dates, names, or number. For example, when you want to find out your train departure schedule, you will read the timetable quickly and already have in mind a specific target of information. You will focus on the time of your train departure, not on the train, and ignore other irrelevant information. So, how do we scan a text? The first, determine the type of information. Second, determine the keyword. And last, scan the keyword with regard to the targeted information. When in a task situation, scanning is usually applied by reading the question first. That will help you to determine the keyword. Using the keyword, scan the text to find the information containing the keyword or related to the keyword. Okay, suppose you have this question in a test. When was the last time John was seen before he was murdered? For this question, the type of information needed is time. And time can be expressed in various ways. You can have numbers or you can have words. For example, Monday, winter, or last week. To narrow the scope of your scanning, determine the keyword for your search. For this question, pay attention to the word seen or murdered. With this target in mind, you can start scanning the text looking for information about time that is related to the keyword seen or murdered. Alright, now it's time for you to practice. What about this question? Who interviewed the eyewitness of the crime? If you have this question in a task, let me know how you will do the scanning. Consider these two questions. What type of information is needed? And what keyword can be used to narrow the search? Discuss the answers with your friends in the available discussion forum. Alright, I guess that's all for now. Thank you and see you.